your super duper power is? What is your super duper power?
A super duper.
Super duper power. Can you walk on water?
I walk on water.
Can you talk to dogs?
Yeah, the dogs.
Throw fire?
Yeah.
Do super duper jumps?
Can you make it rain grapes?
Yeah.
Can you yell super duper?
1, 2, 3.
Super!
I'm not going, Mom. It's too big.
It's too big?
No.
Oh, he is super duper.
Haha, super duper.
Da 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 da
Let
da.
me try again, Mom. Let me try again.
Be very careful, super duper.
Don't forget your sidekick.
Oh. Be careful. Whoa.
Oh, again. Let's try again.
Last time.
Last time, Mom.
And then you better run off to help people.
Yeah.
There's a damsel in distress. 3 stories up.
Alright, now go find your super duper dog and save the day.
Quick, the changing table's on fire.
Da 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 da
There.
da 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 da. Super duper dog, where are you? Where's your super duper dog?
What? I need treats, Mom.
You got it? Or do you need help?
Yeah, I need help.
Okay, come here. Is that better?
Yeah. It's super duper flower.
I'll be right back with the chicken wings.
Yeah, take away. Take away, Jenny. Jenny,
Yeah?
come back.
I will come back, right back to you. Go save the day.
I'll see you today. Mommy?
Yeah?